As a web developer who got no bitch, it's freaking scary to see ChatGPT make a hello world website from scratch. And it's not just me, you're probably thinking the same. Anyways, I disappeared for like 3 months and you probably know why. The damn earthquake really messed me up. So sorry for the absence, daddy. Now, should you be worried about job security as a web developer? Well, you've got a couple of years left before AI take over completely. In the meantime, improve yourself and start using ChatGPT to speed up your work and solve problems. It'll give you a glimpse of how AI will take over your job. Like looking in the mirror and realizing you're single. Also, aim to be replacement proof by being more productive and aware of what's happening around you. Instead of wasting your life scrolling through TikTok, you gotta have bigger goals and put in more time and effort. And as I always say, the process is simple, but it has been never easy. So, pour yourself a strong black coffee and start exploring concepts like AI engineering, machine learning, and how to make your website more intelligent. I know, it's advanced stuff for most of us here, but I'm not saying go learn it, bitch. I'm saying look into it, see how that works. But for now, trust me, keep going like it's nothing. Take advantage of AI, make it work for you, dude. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll catch you up in the next video.